There's no easy path in life. I'm taking the exposed ridgeline trail. Today I will be facing rain, high winds, and really gusty winds, and rain, and it's getting cold and stormy weather. The wind is really high up here. I'm prepared. Everything's packed up tight. I got my wool clothing on as a protection from the cold weather. But I have merino wool on, my icebreaker, and I'm warm. And it's raining, so it's a good thing I got a life-proof case. Big balls. Keep going. It's just one step at a time. That's part of the process. One step at a time. Here on the Appalachian Trail. It's about taking the challenge, taking the most difficult path. Stand up in the storm. And then, when the storm is over, they're stronger than they ever were. I don't like to say that I'm out here on some hiking trip for pleasure. I like to look at it as research, human performance and leadership research. So thanks for joining me on the trail.